This is a tour of room 321 at the Hilton Garden Inn, Lexington, Georgetown, in Georgetown, Kentucky. And I've got the have the closet open because I took the luggage stand out, but it didn't have a seal, but it had the sticker on the window. You could probably see me in the mirror there. And there is a Keurig and a microwave and a mini fridge, and there's water available if you're Hilton Honors Diamond, Gold, and Silver, and I'm Silver. You get it free, otherwise it's $1.50. And here is the room. It's a king room. I got a good deal. Their restaurant is not open, so that's part of the reason for the good deal. It's got a light switch, and it's not a toggle. I love toggles. I've always talked about that. And it's got a outlet. And there's the TV. And what I noticed was, when you go over here, is the remote is bagged up for safety. And then there's even some hand wipes there. And then here is out the window a view of the parking lot. It's a little after, it's about 2:45, so it's check-in time. And next door is a restaurant called Cattleman's Roadhouse. And I'm thinking that they serve steak. Now here is the bathroom, and it has a shower stall. I've talked about that in the past. And it seems to open up, which is a little awkward, I think. And then that's about it. It's Kentucky, so they got a picture of a horse with a jockey on it. I don't know which horse it is. It doesn't have a label. And then there's the cute towels. Things in the Neutrogena.
Like I got the one.